Today we are working on Excel Lesson 6, the fourth lesson, working with pie charts. So this is a document you should have open up. It says first create a new pie chart using only the total values for each office. The pie chart must include the category X titles as well as the total data in the chart. So you must highlight two rows that are not next to each other. So select cells A5 to A11, A5 down to here. Note, for this pie chart, the data series select will be the total number of website hits for each office. So hold down the control key and select H5 to 11 and then release the control key. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, so click Insert. Here's your charts group over here. Click Insert Pie or Donut Chart, which is this button right here. And it gives you the different types of charts. Click the Pie option in the 2D Pie section. So this one right here. That creates a pie chart. Click on any pie slice in the chart. The selection block should appear on every pie slice, and you can see that it does. Click again on the New York pie slice, the one on the upper right. The selection box should now only appear around that, and you can see these little dots is what it's talking about. Click and drag the New York pie slice away from the rest of the pie. Just click and drag it. When you have the pie slice in the desired position, release the mouse button. So it's just showing you how you can explode those from each one of those things. Mark as answered, submit. And this completes working with pie charts.